Life or death is a common theme behind panic attacks. Most often, panic attacks happen when a person perceives their life or the lives of the people they deeply care about to be in danger. People may fear imminent death via heart attack, suffocation, losing control of their mind and body, or some other form of non-existence. However, socially oriented fears are also common drivers of panic. For example, sometimes fearing embarrassment and the resulting loss of social status can trigger panic attacks. Take as an example a high-powered CEO with panic attacks. Social issues can trigger panic because, evolutionarily speaking, a lack of social belonging can dramatically decrease the animal's ability to survive. The animal in this case is us. What's fascinating about panic is that it illuminates how wired we are to exist within groups. We want to be included and respected by others, and whenever something opposite of that happens, we freak out. We can also see this social and panic link by observing how often diagnoses related to social loss present with panic attacks. Social anxiety disorder and separation anxiety disorder both commonly set off panic attacks. Social loss is an existential threat because humans are pack animals. Those who hang out on the outskirts of the herd are most likely to get picked off by predators. The fate is even worse for those who get excommunicated from the pack entirely. Most of us are aware of this instinctually. We fear abandonment and cringe at our social faux pas. These reactions prioritize our behavior to ensure that we remain inside the herd where we are nice and safe. So now let's ask ourselves, what would happen if we had very little confidence in our ability to interact with others? What would happen if we questioned every little thing we said? In this scenario, every interpersonal interaction and faux pas will represent us getting pushed out further from the center of society and onto those dangerous outskirts. Therefore, the fears that drive social anxiety are very similar to those that drive panic in other disorders. They are all existential. They are all experienced as life and death matters. Similarly, it is now easy to understand why separation anxiety disorder is also a risk factor for panic attacks. Separation anxiety is a fear that occurs when we face the possibility of losing someone we hold dear. As I mentioned earlier, a social loss, unless readily replaced, is a sign of approaching danger and therefore can elicit panic-like responses. So if social anxiety, separation anxiety, or panic is a problem for you, then don't hesitate to reach out to me. I offer a series of 8 workshop videos to help you understand everything that goes into healing from this problem, as well as individual counseling to support you and guide you as you recover. The workshops are on-demand videos, so you don't have to wait. You can get started today.